What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I just got an awesome mail call from Vic Offroad. They just sent out the 6-inch LightFox LED lights with side shooters. So we're going to dig into these. We're going to get them installed on a 2007 JK. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, bear with me while I try to do this one-handed. So let's open this up here. Nice packaging. So the LightFox lights comes with all the mounts and hardware that you need to mount them. You pull those two little bags out. There's one for each light. And then of course you've got the lights themselves. So let's get these out of their little packaging. And this is the 6-inch single row LightFox side shooter. So you can see it's got a row of LEDs on the top, plus a smaller row underneath, and then on the side, you've got angled side shooter lights. So you're gonna be able to get brightness right out the front of these, plus at an angle on the sides. So you'll get plenty of light coverage when you're on or off road. So let's go ahead and get these installed. All right, guys, there you have it. There are the Vic Offroad LightFox 6-inch side shooter lights installed on a 2007 JK. They are bright as heck. We tested them out here last night in the street. Next up, we're gonna get out in the desert and really put them to the test. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. And I'm gonna put links down there to Vic Offroad so you can check out these lights for yourself. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first to know when we do a cool install, product review, awesome off-road run, all kinds of things coming. So for Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.